Happy Sunday, everyone, and thanks for checking in to your extreme weather outlook. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson, and we're keeping an eye on Hurricane Blanca in the East Pacific and what that means for parts of the Southwest. We'll talk about that. We'll talk about the severe threats coming up over the next couple of days, and it definitely feels like summer in some areas nationwide. So there is a look at Hurricane Blanca from earlier today. The infrared satellite loop shows the eye wall kind of collapsing. It was a Category 2 storm earlier this morning, and it looks like the collapse of the entire storm will continue to occur. So later today, maybe a tropical storm, and as early as tomorrow, potentially just a tropical depression. We're still looking at a lot of moisture, though, over Baja California, and some of that moisture moving up into the southwest by Monday night and Tuesday. Some of the heaviest, 6 to 10 inches over Baja California. Isolated 15-inch amounts can't be ruled out, and then a little bit less as you get into the southwest. We're calling for maybe upwards of a ½ an inch to an inch in some isolated spots. But there's the best chance of severe weather today. Looks like the greatest risk is going to be damaging winds from the Front Range of the Rockies in Colorado all the way up to the Ohio Valley and parts of the Great Lakes. But this particular boundary, again, will kick out thunderstorms through the afternoon and evening. You can see continuing on tonight and into the day tomorrow. And then we'll have some redeveloping thunderstorms in some of the same areas as we get into Monday afternoon, but a little bit farther south, from Kentucky to Tennessee, and then back up into parts of the Northeast, including D.C. and maybe just west of Philly. But over these areas, we could be talking about some heavy rainfall over a 5-day period, maybe 1 to 2 plus. Meanwhile, we're starting to see this heat build in the south central part of the nation. In fact, Dallas today up to 93, same for New Orleans, and St. Louis 90 up. There in Atlanta, and it will be another warm day here on Monday, but as we notice here, that warmth is going to start to spread east. D.C. on Tuesday up to 88 there on Wednesday, and potentially 91 in D.C. on Thursday.